Our client in Faerie Glen, Pretoria, purchased a house that required significant attention to its exterior walls. The property had extensive plaster cracks and rising damp issues that needed to be addressed before any painting could commence. We began the project by thoroughly cleaning the external walls. All cracks were then opened and prepared for filling. We used fiber cement to fill the cracks, carefully matching the existing wall pattern. For areas affected by rising damp, we excavated the necessary sections and applied the ArmTec HyperFlex waterproofing system to the exposed areas. Once the preparation work was completed, we primed the external walls with a high-quality primer. The house was then painted with 2 coats of Plascon Low Sheen external wall paint. And that's how we transform an old building from worn to wow. Contact EcoSeal for a free inspection today.